Goals. They're what keeps us motivated. Is your goal to buy a new home for your family? A new car that you worked hard to deserve? To get a new credit card? Or to start a new business or get a promotion to make a better life for you and your family? Are you being stopped from achieving your goal because of your credit score and credit report? Look, we all have faced some challenges along the way, but those mistakes shouldn't stop you from creating a better life going forward. Thankfully, that's where the attorneys and credit experts at Your Credit Attorney can help. You see, we're experts at helping our clients fix their credit report problems and finally achieve their goals. Using our exclusive Centurion 3-step system, we also make it very easy. With more than 10 years experience helping clients achieve their goals, our attorneys and credit experts are, well, just that, experts in how to attack the bureaus and make sure that the information on your credit report and your credit score are optimized to the full extent of the law. What that means is there's no complex laws for you to learn. No need to keep track of what you sent to the bureaus and when they are required to respond by. No need for you to keep attacking the bureaus and making sure your credit score isn't going to stop you from achieving your goals. With Your Credit Attorney on your side, you'll join the tens of thousands of satisfied clients who put their past behind them and finally achieve their goals with a credit report and credit score that they truly deserve. The best part is that you get all this power for less than $1 a day. Welcome to the Your Credit Attorney family. We look forward to helping you achieve your goals.